everyone, hope you're fantastic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jackie. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. As the topic suggests, I'm going to give you a house tour, and this is a mini studio. As we get into the entrance, we start with the lounge area. You get to see the plants over there. These are artificial plants, and this is a deco, very amazing and very beautiful. The deco in this house is great. It appreciates the aesthetic of this space. And when we get to the TV area, you get to see a big TV stand, a lampshade over there during the night. You can light up with a big TV. I don't know how many inches, but it's big. Capturing it is underestimated. It's very big. Jackie who dreams big. I like big stuff in my life. And then you get to see the couch. This is L-shaped, not L, it's a U-shaped couch. This couch can accommodate a family. And it has attractive throw pillows, very attractive. And a simple table over there, and a carpet underneath. On the other end, you get to see a large window. If you have a smaller space, you have to have a large window, which brings light inside the house. The light penetrates inside the house so smoothly. You can see it's very huge. And then we have an AC. AC here is a must. As you can see, it's running. It's summer and the sun is scorching. The AC runs throughout the day during summer. In Kenya, it's not mandatory to have an AC because the weather is favorable. The temperatures are favorable, but in the coast of Kenya, it's a must to have one. And the deco in this house, you can see we have another deco. The deco in this house, it completes this space, which makes it looks very beautiful. In the comment section below, can I get your views about the studio? As you can see, we have the basket. These baskets inside, we have throw blankets during the winter. We have blankets there, heavy blanket. During the winter, it's being used. And we have more decoration. The decoration of the monkey and the baby, holding the baby so tight. Yeah, guys. Then you get to see a bin where you throw your trash there. And we have side tables beside the couch. And let's get to the kitchen area. The kitchen area, you can see we have a mini fridge. When you have a smaller space, you got to have it's not necessary to have a big fridge. And the working station, working table, we have a kettle, heater. Here is where you do your tea, coffee, all that stuff. Then we have a sink over there with a mirror. Jackie is a lover of mirrors. They will have a soap dispenser, toiletries. Then we get to the washroom. The washroom has terms and conditions. I won't get inside. You can see we have a stand. That stand, it has the toiletries, which gives that stand is the storage. It's utilize the storage so well so that the toiletries can be they are aligned well. And then at the sink, you can see more decoration over there, and a rug, and a bin too for trash. We have a wall art. In the living room, I forgot to show you, we had a wall art. Again, let's get to see the view 360 degrees. Well, the space is small. It's not so much detailed, but very beautiful, very attractive. If you watched this video until this end, thank you for unwavering support. Thank you for passing by. Thank you for your viewership. Continue supporting me. Let's get to the road to 1K subscribers. I'll be very grateful. This motivates me to give you more exciting videos. Let's keep vibing, positive vibes all the way. And once again, thank you.